Good morning, my dear students. Now I am going to introduce CO2. This is the session 1 from under the CO2. Earlier, we are given introduction to the our construction economics. Those are what are the primarily things to need to required. All those things we discussed at the CO1. So now we are going to the we are introduced the CO2, that is under coming to the our understanding break even analysis. Here why this thing to require, especially our construction projects. In this also we are going to the to know we are going to the to learn break even analysis. Here how you are going to understand what are the things to need, all those things why you are going to learning. This is the understanding of the break even analysis. We are totally in detail to know in this section. Please here all the students they are aware. Here the introduction of the that break even analysis, that is going to be to give here welcome and introduction of the our break analysis. Then you coming to the purpose purpose of the presentation and break even analysis. Here you must and should you know all those things and recommend the introduction of the our break even analysis. Then you coming to the definition of the break even analysis. What is meant by break even analysis? Must and should you go to the know these things in the sections. Before that, all the students please all of you aware, all of you know under coming to the in this break even analysis. Here break even analysis is a financial tool used to determine the point at which total revenue equal to cost total under coming to the total cost. That is the nothing but is called the definition of the break analysis. Break analysis, please all of you aware, all of you know break even analysis is a financial tool used to determine the point at which total revenue equal total cost. Total revenue equal to the total cost. What are the revenue, how much amount of the we are going to generate, that how much amount of the you are going to cost, both are going to be equal. That is nothing but called the break even analysis. Why you are going to required in this? You are aware, you know our fields, our construction fields. This is also very important requirement. Without knowing, without okay, how much amount of the you are going to generate, how much amount of the you are going to spend. You don't know, the automatically the deficit appears. That's why you are going to required economically that are coming to the our construction projects. You are going to know this is nothing but called the definition of the break even analysis. Then it will be going to required. It helps business understanding when they will cover all their expenses and begin to make a profit. This is the to required under coming to the our construction economics. There will be going to be given to the this is one of the important chapter our CO2 to requirement of the definition to know all of you. Here the break even analysis. What is meant by break even analysis? Is the financial tool to determine the point at which the total revenue to generate, that will go to how much amount of the to total cost will go to the to available hours. That is it will go to the gives the more helpful to the business understanding when they will they will cover all their expenses and begin to make a profit. That is nothing but the difference of the our break even analysis. All of you understood, all of you know. Then we coming to the components of the break even analysis. Here what are the type of the components to require to estimate the break even analysis. That is the three components are there. Those under coming to required, this will be going to the give. First one is fixed cost. Here the fixed cost under coming to the cost that do not change with the level of production or sales. This is called the fixed cost. Some equipment that we have with the fixed cost. Some we are under coming to the variable cost. Some we have with the total cost. Those these are all the components of the break even analysis. So my dear students, please note down our what are the material, what are the we are going to purchase. You must have to have a break even analysis. Once you know the definition of break even analysis, then you go to the what are the components to required under coming to the to estimate the break even analysis. These are all the three type of the components to required. One is the fixed cost, and second one is the variable cost, and third one is the total cost. From this all of you understood these are all the break even and cost. Here the fixed cost, the first one is there is also having the two types of the procedures. One is the cost that do not change with the level of production or sales. There is no changes under coming to the cost, that is under coming to the fixed cost. Then second one is given to the examples that is under coming to the rent, salary, salaries and insurance. These are all the under coming to the fixed cost. Then coming to the variable cost, the variable cost is called as the cost that vary with the level of production or sale. That is the cost that vary with the level of production or sale. That is going to the various up and downs having. The examples is raw material, then third one is second one, then next one is labor, next one is utilities. These are all under coming to the variable cost. Then third one is there is having the total cost. The total cost is called as the summation of fixed and variable cost. My dear students, all of you know, all of you aware, these are all the today I am going to the conclude in this our CO2 session 1. I am going to the stop here. In this why you are going to require break even analysis, what the here the chapter I am going to the even or the what you are going to the understood as a civil engineer under coming to the our construction economics course. This will be going to the our cohort construction technology and management. There will be going to the to requirement, how much importance to there to require here analysis there to require our construction economics. In this here in this class please so all the students they are aware, you know, a definition of the break even analysis. Then you go to the what are the types of the cost there will be having the break even analysis. Then how you go to the what are the components to required under coming to the break even analysis. In this I stop here. Thank you very much. We are going to the resuming reassemble at the our CO2 section 2. Okay, there we go to the discuss remaining things under coming to our break even analysis. Thank you very much all the students.